to the kitchen. Maybe they have some cake.
Yeah. Ooh, let's go. Where's the cupcake at? Up there. How are we gonna get up there? I don't know. There's that swirly thing again. Oh no! Ooh, that swirly thing is scary. Oh, there's the cupcakes. Yummy. Hey kid. Yes? Can you catch the cupcakes for me? Yep, I get them. Here goes. Yay! Yay, cupcakes! How do I get down here? How am I supposed to get down here? Where's that swirly thing? It disappeared. Thomas, I'll get you. Okay, here I come. Do you want to sit by me? Yeah, let's eat some cupcake. Yeah. Here's one for you. Oh, thank you, Thomas. Here's one for you. I want to give you yours, Thomas. Thank you. This is going to be yours, Thomas. Thomas. There you go, Thomas. Why, thank you. You're welcome. Are they yummy? Yeah. Are they yummy? You need to take off the paper, Thomas.